The Energia North Celtic Sea project is one of Ireland's leading offshore projects, and it's located off the coast of Waterford. So it's currently in the development phase. As a leading Irish energy company, we're committed to playing a fundamental role in decarbonising Ireland's energy system, and the North Celtic Sea project will enable us to achieve that. We were delighted to work with Green Rebel to successfully deliver this campaign over the summer period.
The North Celtic Sea project was first identified by Energia, and they chose that site based on a lot of different factors. They came to us for a survey of the seabed so they can get to know what the geological conditions are going to be like that they have to build on.
The survey with Green Rebel can be split into a couple of different phases. You have the project preparation phase, where all the documentation is set in order, the specification is followed, the equipment is put on board, and then we move on to what we'd call the acquisition phase. So then Green Rebel would have acquired the various different data sets on site, and then this is subsequently followed by the processing phase, and then all the data is processed, and then Green Rebel would have interpreted then that data, and ultimately what we're delivered is a data pack and an interpretive report at the end which describes the ground conditions as found on site. Carrying out these surveys will allow us to understand the most efficient methodology to install turbines.
North Celtic Sea will be a large wind farm with modern turbines. It's going to power a lot of homes. A lot of work goes into planning this and acquiring the data. Once we've gotten it all and we're sure it's fit for purpose, we bring it on shore. A team of scientists will go to work to make sure we're turning it into the best data products, because the raw data is not as usable as it can be, and it needs to be used by many different end users like the planners and the engineers. So we turn it into these finished data products. The main thing that you get from the geological work that we do is actually for practical use for the client. So they need to have engineers go through this and plan how they're going to attach the turbines to the seabed, for example. So they have to have the very best data going into a project like this to try and attempt it offshore.